Hey all, on today's installment of Big Al's Garage, we fix a thermostat. So today we're not in the garage, we are in my upstairs bonus room. The reason why is I came up here earlier today and it was sweltering. And it's not supposed to be. Which means this guy is acting up. This is not the first time I've had to do this job up here. Let's hope this is the last, though. Thermostat is a fairly easy thing to change out. Things first, you just gotta pry it off its back plate. There we go. Then you just have this back plate on the wall needs to come off. The wires are pretty easy, it's color-coded. Blue to blue, green to green, yellow to yellow, white to white, and red to red. Got a utility knife to get the new one out of the package. These plastic blister packs are always so much fun to deal with. New thermostat, it's a 7-day programmable. It has nice analog controls, nice and simple. Programmable for 7 days. And just like the other one, you got to get the back plate off. Again, you've got the same standardized color coding for your wiring. Need a small screwdriver and get the wire down. Got Phillips. Take the back plate off. The new back plate on, which amazingly does not come with screws. Oh wait, yes it does. Oh, and anchor bolts, yippee. I mean, it's a thermostat, I doubt very much I'll bother with the anchor bolts, but I may just use these screws instead of the ones that came with the new one. Oh yeah, we can reuse these. Well, we got the back plate on now. Going to connect wires. Again, it's very simple. Blue. wired up. Now, we need 2 AA batteries, which I just happen to have on hand. Now, we need to make the switch. Now, depending on the type of heat you have this little jumper down here. You would have to move it up one for electric. I have gas, so we're just going to leave it right in place. Pull this protective sticker off the front. Low bat. Of course. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.